What to do time after time to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom, our expression today is time after time. This is one of those idioms that's been around since the first half of the 1600s for one meaning, which meant repeatedly again and again, and another meaning became popular in the first half of the 1800s. So it's been around for hundreds of years, impacting all of us, whether we know it or not. It is the title of a song, at least one or two that I remember from growing up. It is the title of books. It's the title of movies, usually about time travel or romantic comedies over time. I think Time After Time. There's several of them. But what we're looking for, and what it means, of course, something that happens again and again, something that happens repeatedly, or something that becomes what I look for, a pattern of behavior, or mistakes and lessons learned. We want to make sure that when we make a mistake, we're learning the lesson so that we don't repeat it, or it becomes a repeatable pattern. I know in my life, if I look back, I like to do an exercise called the Lifeline exercise, and we go back and we look at key events in our life. And when we do that, if we're brave enough to do that, we see certain patterns form. We see behaviors and beliefs and lessons that we didn't learn the first time show up in slightly different forms that repeat themselves. I had a huge wake-up call with respect to my health, and it wasn't until after that wake-up call that I had the actually necessary vision to go back and the wisdom to go back and look at and actually see the pattern and what it meant to me. And once I learned that lesson, what it meant to me, I haven't had a huge health challenge since then, thank goodness. So we're looking for repeatable processes and systems, standard operating procedures, and results. We want repeatable positive results, things that make our business stronger and better, but we also want to find the patterns and the challenges and make sure we're solving the root cause of them so that we don't repeat those patterns. I like to find and put in place systems to make things automatic, create automatic results, as well as have frameworks for different parts of the organization, as well as our overarching framework for my business as a whole. Now, what are some of the ways that you can guarantee that you will get positive, repeatable results that you want for your business? We talked about 13 different ways to succeed and be successful in your business yesterday, but I decided to just share my top 3 today. What are the top 3 things? If somebody asks me advice and said, what are the 3 things you need to do time after time in order to supersize and grow your business? These are the 3 things I would say. And my bonus one would be yourself. Be who you uniquely are in the world, because nobody else can ever compete with that. That's my bonus one. But my first one would be know what you want. Know what it is that you want to create. Know what it is you're creating with your business in order to communicate that clearly to other people. Number 2, continuously improve. Whatever you're doing, whatever you want to do, make sure that you learn from your mistakes, because I guarantee you're going to make them, and continuously improve. Never give up, and continuously improve and make progress. And number 3, make sure you're giving value and serving other people. If you give value and are serving other people, you will supersize and grow your business, because business is an exchange of value. I would love to know what you do time after time and time again. What do you do repeatedly that is helping you to succeed and grow and supersize your business? Share at least one thing in the comments below so we can all learn together. Those are my top 3, actually 4. But what is just one thing that you've learned through your massive, vast experience growing and building your business, or a tough lesson that you learned that you wish you would have learned the first or the second or the 10th time that you attempted it? I've got some stories like that for sure that I could share. All right, have an awesome day. Any questions, any comments, hit me up. You can direct message me here on Facebook, or you have to look up Supersize Your Business on other platforms and Sharon Horne-Ellstrom to direct message me. Otherwise, questions, concerns, comments, share in the comments below, or ask. If there's a time-related idiom that I haven't covered yet this month that you would like me to cover, I've got about at least 20 more to choose from for the rest of the month, and we've only got, 10, 11 days left in the month. So hit me up if you want one specifically covered. Where does it come from? What does it mean? How can you use it and apply it to your business, and maybe even in your life? Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another time-related idiom of my choosing. Have an awesome day, and I'll be with you tomorrow.